cinematography vlog mode.
Wait, don't
Hi
do
everyone.
cinematography.
I think no, I know.
Hey guys,
Hi everyone.
today we're going to the grand opening of Don't Yell at Me.
Why?
No, I can't. You think I'll stay there or you Ready? And action. What are we
Hi
doing today?
everyone.
Tell us what we're doing. Shit, never mind. I'll see you again after. Hey guys.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. Okay. Greetings.
Hold on.
We're gonna go to the grand opening of Don't Yell at Me, a bubble tea place. It's actually a pretty good place. I've had it in Calgary, and now it's opening in Toronto. Yay!
Yay!
And bring it Sanji Bao.
Yay!
Oh, it looks so orange. To start. At least we're gonna have a mic. Hey yo.
I know what you mean.
So we just finished visiting my parentals for a Christmas dinner. I gave them their gift. Got my dad a foot massager machine thingy, and my mom a, what do you call that? A heating
Back pad?
back pad. She's been eating that for a while, so we got some sushi. I didn't want to record them because I want to respect the privacy and just be in the moment. But yeah, cold as shit, and now we're going home.
So your vlog is just you sitting in a car
No, it's not.
with no context other than you explaining.
No,
what
I
you
took
did.
little snippets
Oh,
throughout
okay,
the day.
okay,
Okay, Anyways, just kidding. Okay, bye.
Fuck, you smell the gas?
I farted.
Oh, I like that.
Really? Maybe I can just still drink this.
Yeah. Did you like it that much?
You don't like yours?
No, I like it, but I'm saying you didn't even freaking finish yours.
Because I was so full.
Oh.
Don't yell at me, young Finch. I can't wait to open the tote bag. Should we open it
Yeah,
now?
yeah, yeah.
Guys, we're gonna show you the cutest tote bag we got. Wait, are you still wearing your car?
Huh?
Is your car still
Yeah,
on?
yeah.
Okay. We were the first
50.
50 people in line because no one wants to go on the farm. This is a tote bag. I think it's good quality.
Yeah.
How do you,
I hope it's big enough.
right? I love free things. Oh, this is not bad. Right?
Is it thick?
Yeah, it is pretty thick.
Oh, it's not bad.
I like the little
It's
guy.
good size. I like it.
Put my library books in here. Oh yeah, I can't even see. Oh, you should open the one that you already freaking know.
That's all, right?
No,
No.
this one.
The diffuser is this one?
Oh wait,
What?
I don't know. Open it. I'm actually confused.
Is that mine too?
Not too sure of the one. Should I open all of yours? Yeah. Right?
Oh, I guess yeah. Open it all. I'm actually so fucking excited.
Really?
I just diffused it.
No, but it's open.
Why? Oh, open it.
Open this one.
Oh, no, I'll open them all. Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you.
I want to guess these two too.
Wait, is this my gift too? There's four?
Well, this comes with that.
Oh, oh. And is this the scent?
plug and play, right? Holy, you having 3 flavors?
Sets, you don't eat them. Maybe salad. Oh, here.
Wow,
That's some Chinese.
this one smells like a vibe. It smells like peace apple. Times 3?
There's a flame atmospheric.
What does that mean?
It's fire or
Fire comes out?
Like a. What makes this come out?
Water into the water tank, not exceeding the water level. How would one get into the water tank?
That's what I'm trying to say. We'll figure it out
Figure it
after.
out later.
Open the
Thank
next
you.
one.
No way.
Oh, I want.
Thank you. That's crazy how good these are real third.
I don't like.
Yo, this is actually a good ass gift. Holy, thank you. Actually, not that bad. It's a real estate.
Open it later, no? You want to try it now?
No, fucking no. This one's fire.
Wait. Yes, no, this one is.
Wait, is it obvious?
No.
Then why are you rolling your eyes?
Because you say it's obvious.
No, I have no idea. I honestly have no idea. You what?
You make it
I really think it's wrong.
That's why I was so annoyed when he got it. Well, we just gonna have more then.
Come. Come here. Nah, these aren't leaving. No way.
These have pockets, like actual pockets.
Wait,
Now, you will never spend money on a shirt. It's like a full fit from
Right here. Okay, I hope you like that guess.
You try that, Asher?
Yeah, the shirt.
I don't even know what one of them is.
What?
Is it the microphone?
I didn't say nothing.
What are you laughing? I'm scared now.
You actually got me some nice ass gifts. Shit.
Wait, let's
Okay.
just-
No.
You think I can get this?
No. I'm super happy. I'm super happy.
What are you laughing at? What's your name?
I'm shy.
You're shy? What? Why are you laughing?
Nothing. I hope you like it.
Yeah.
Stacey, man.
What? Why is there a Nike box?
Why is there a Nike box?
That's your Nike box. What is this? Marley? I'm scared. What is it? Oh. Oh, it's microphone. Well, I'm gonna kind of hear it. Oh, that's cool.
Wait, open it up?
Why?
Just want to make sure it's the. Okay, yeah. So you plug this into your phone,
And then it works?
and then it disconnects. Oh shit, it disconnected. What the hell? I just heard it vibrate. Oh yeah, it's working. It's lighting up. And then you can still charge your phone there.
Oh, that's so cool. Wow, this is what I had. I was looking at Amazon too.
Oh really?
When I said
this version?
Yeah. I was like, are you getting nervous? And I was like, oh,
Yeah, I was like, oh shit.
That's like I knew the size of your
Big body. That's the big body, okay? Check it out. If it doesn't fit, that would be a problem.
You had so many chances.
I know, I did, and then I forgot. So
Should I have to wear socks then?
that's why I asked you to converse it bigger. Never mind.
Oh,
Just check.
it fits smaller. Oh my god, stop. Really? How'd you get these?
Yeah, you know the vibes. Okay, no, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect.
Okay, how are we? You got socks?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't even guess that, eh?
What was it?
Crazy. How'd you get these?
I'm just a joker.
Really? What size is it? 7?
No, 6.5 women's. 6.5 women's. Because you were a 5.5 youth in your Air Forces. So that's how I did the conversion.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe a little bit big, that should be fine. No, it should be okay.
It's okay. That's your toe?
Yeah.
No, that's your toe.
My big
No,
one.
that's a fit then, huh? Let me see. Oh my god, my baby. My baby in the
But my
class.
hair should. It's so hot.
No problem.
Oh, good boy. He's comfy.
Because it's warm?
What?
Because it's warm, so it makes it? Wait, is
No.
it still warm?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was chilling here. It was so different
Jim.
from Stacy's cat.
He's so big. Like,
Good boy.
Meow. Meow. Meow meow.
Did he respond?
No, he's really going.
oh. Yeah, you don't like me.
Oh, baby, it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, honey, it's okay.
Wave. Bye.